Hey everybody, this is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. We're cooking off a tincture out in the garage. We're cooking it off in the garage because we made it with Everclear. Everclear is good for your home medicines. It's good for a lot of your crafts. In that way, it's perfect for the homestead. But it's perfect for the homestead as a disinfectant. It scrubs counters. It dissolves the sticky ickies, that stuck-on thing that you don't know what it is. You don't need Billy Made Haze. You need the Low Cash Homestead to remind you that Everclear will dissolve that shit. Everclear is the best kitchen cleaner you're gonna find. Everclear takes off all the sticky stuff that you may not know what it is. For any of you that have children, you probably got that. And Everclear in a spray bottle, man, you can really clear your whole house with Everclear in a spray bottle when one of your kids comes home with the sticky ickies. Everclear is necessary on the homestead. So this is basically like a $20 bottle of cleaner. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Everclear can light the Dayca. I wouldn't do that though. No way. Not at all. That's way too valuable against the sticky ickies. Everclear. Woo! It'll also clear your sinuses. Hey, the other thing I want to talk to you about is this little cube cam. I don't know if it's working. The instructions for this cube cam were written so horribly that Google Translate couldn't translate them. They were written in an English that made no sense at all. They were the most incomprehensible set of instructions I have ever seen on anything, ever. Are you recording anything, little cube cam? I can't tell. I've had to shoot this video several times. I've been standing over a pot of boiling Everclear.